I just bought mini clamp few weeks ago. I try on MDF 18mm with angle 45 degrees using that clamp. It's hard to assemble it. I check using angle ruler, and the result is very bad. I really regret had bought this mini clamp. I am going to make my own clamp which is easy use. I make it using HMR. Measure and mark HMR. Then cut it using table saw. Measure and mark diagonally, on the right side 100 mm and left side 50 mm. Cut the mark using miter saw. Cut two pieces HMR, one with width 35 m, and another with width 50 mm. Then, assemble those cuts using glue and nail. Measure and mark, and cut using miter saw. Put it on the base, and check using square frame. After fix, assemble it on the base using glue. Then screw on to position to make it stronger. Check again using square frame. Cut 2 pieces HMR. And assemble it as one using glue. Measure and mark to add long nut M10. Drill HMR using speed bit 16 mm. I try to put long nut M10 into the hole, but it doesn't fit it. I use mini grinder to make the hole fit with the long nut. Use epoxy glue to put the long nut into the hole. Use sawdust to fill the gap. After the glue dry, assemble it on the base. Cut HMR with width 30 mm. Then cut HMR into 2 pieces using miter saw with length 80 mm. Cut the edge of the cuts before with angle 45 degrees. Cut another HMR with size 80 mm times 30 mm. Cut the both edge with angle 45 degrees. Assemble all the cuts using glue. I make one the same to make it thicker. Then I assemble it using glue and nail. Use my trim router to make it same size. Measure and mark to add hole. Drill using drill bit 10 mm. Cut the aluminium with size 50 mm times 20 mm. Measure and mark to add hole. Then, drill it using drill bit 10 mm and 4 mm. Screw the aluminium cut on MDF. Then, cut it using grinder right in the center. I take long bolt M10 and give paper tape. Put the long bolt M10 into the hole, then give mark. Grinder the mark for make slot. Put aluminium for give mark. Place the aluminium cut to lock the long bolt, then screw it. Measure and mark rosewood. Then, I cut 4 pieces rosewood with size 40 mm x 120 mm. Assemble all the cuts using glue and clamp it. After the glue dry, measure and mark for adding hole in the center. Then, drill the mark. I add bolt M8 into the hole. Then, cut the head bolt. I put the rosewood cut on the bench drill. Then, grinder the rosewood. Please be careful with this method. Put the rosewood into bolt M10. Give wax to all surface for protection. Now, I try this clamp for clamp MDF cut with angle 45 degrees. The result is perfectly 90 degrees. I assemble 2 pieces MDF with angle 90 degrees. The result is very precision and the angle is 90 degrees. I use my DIY pocket hole station for making pocket hole. This clamp can be used to assemble using this method. The result looks perfect.